Excuse me, you work in the market? How much are the
It's all my blood clot, wait. How much your pussy clot from you?
I'm just asking you a question.
Be good for me house here. See be good for me house here. Eh? You know want come. I pay you for this. I want come to come 5 o'clock in the morning. The fuck of you. Eh? You say you stop. You much chance. Then I go to police station and report you. So citizens have evidence and now can't make them lock up you. Evidence. Then I go to police station. The police say, take your picture. Carrying picture come and then I don't get to take a picture. But to me a video and picture you know. Look how you lay down, I should have taken my shit and just whoop off your head. Eh? We could have taken my shit and zoop off your head. 5 o'clock TK, see him panny wall with the big old there. See me? See panny wall? See with the good panny house. See what? Eh? And he take long stick and push on the camera, the change camera. Put all in short cooler. Go video in short pan the light.
Take all my shirt, give me cooler.
Make it stay the video in short pan the light. Eh?
Take all my shirt.
Look how he set the long stick pan the video.
Imagine you walk on road going 12 o'clock at night and say you want something in one shop to buy and buck up on blood clot, it's all fish.
You protect your family. And that's your fido. Where am with you? We are family, brethren. We are family. You can't, if we talk to you over and over and over and over and you say you stop. You not stop. 5 o'clock and feel put down my window. 5 o'clock.
Give me shirt and wear it on, man.
You need to lay down. Don't give me shirt. Take it down from there. You don't get no shirt. I second shirt. Make it up. 5 o'clock and feel pat the fuck down here. 5 o'clock. You know love embarrassment and you're not on top. 5 o'clock and feel pat them here. The fuck down me house. 5 o'clock. Feel pat the from fuck house. Feel pat your ear, brethren. Look how it's easy step on.
Boss, after you fuck her, what you do with her?
I want back a tough crackers and give her, man. I say, yo, one of your fucking yard.
Hey, boy, me take you all that tough crackers and thump in your face with the pussy.
Thump in your blood clot.
Your left pussy. Hey, boy, me chuck you down for your back with your bag of tough crackers pussy.
One more time on face.
Left up pussy.
Stop, boss, and him go in
Pussy
argument.
can't up. I want, oh, I boss, I tell me picture. You know me, I promote you.
You promote your flatbridge.
Yeah, my flatbridge amount of trade and pass on that blood clot and none never
Yo,
overturn.
you know, 7 weeks me there Portland, them daughters are college, you know. And a buff there with blood clot stay.
Yeah, buff here for you can't manage.
Oh,
you can't manage
I told me to come
flatbridge.
here, I got a bomb
Oh, you
clot
go
town, you
manage
know.
buff
You don't go
here.
for flatbridge, man.
You not see buff beer where you have run.
Anytime they can pass a yard, you have blood.
Yeah, no wicked man bumble. Go you boss him up.
Stand up now.
If you're 12 hours to do any blood clotting you have, and tell your friend.
See Estonia? See Estonia?
Blood clot, you know. You could have never see tomorrow if you lick me a blood clot. Cause you like what?
Who can say tomorrow?
You can't pass round there when me back up your blood clot.
You did
You can't pass to me yard a blood clot. You could have got Jesus Christ to blood clot.
In my pocket.
Thanks.
You?
Preventive thief. Ask party clip. Ask party thief for Nathan. Him a thief. Why is man a thief?
Wise man at you?
This man. I'm this man.
At you, wise man at you?
Yeah.
I tell them, so if somebody favor me, it's not me. You're hang up. No hang up this man.
Yeah.
No hang up, yeah?
Yo. A 2 chocolate of cement, wife man thief. And thief, yeah, out of water man thief, the thief of people in the room.
How you know, say? Wise man that you do, wise man that you do?
You see him phone now, because him a thief who buy phone. Him phone now work, him a thief who buy phone.
Wives, we sell here. Wives, see that? Wives. Pussy
Yo,
classes.
a wise man sell. Yo, a right wise man sell. A wife himself,
Wife
man.
man.
A wife himself.
Yo. Video dead there. I lie man there.
I'm not talking about teeth and them.
No, yo, a wife himself, bro. No, bro, a wife himself.
Yo. Him thief zinc and them something there. Buy phone, kind phone now work. Yeah.
How we are say?
Ah, see, look, you see my touching phone right now. Touch boy, wife man a thief.
Follow the people, them, man. No, man, stop follow the people, them, yeah? Cloud thief.
Yo, him there for a video.
Hang up, now, man.
Him there for a video. Watch it. Yo, trust bro, him there for a video. The boy a thief, things to buy phone. And thief 2 chocolate of cement.
Me not thief, nothing, yeah? Pussy clot, if you know somebody favor. Bumbo clot, sir. Hang up, my man. Bumbo clot phone, man. Nobody now make a bumbo clot. You're not telling a bumbo clot like woman thief. Sir. Hang up, my man. Phone. Ass clot. Sir. Pussy clot, clot. Bumbo clot, don't know about pussy clot, about blood clot thief. Eh? Wife, Mr. Wives. Bumbo clot phone. Hang up, man. Hang up, sir. Bumbo clot. Bumbo clot thief. And this man a bumbo clot sell them thing. And about bumbo ass clot, but sir. Hang up, no.
Me love me brother. Me love me nephew.
So you love man?
I feel love man and no man and me nephew and man and me brother and man and me father. I want to tell you something. Different love for young man, sexy love for woman. When I mean woman and say love.
So I say me
Man
put...
love is not for this.
Why you say me put this on TikTok?
Any fucking way you want to put it.
Put it on TikTok?
Anyway. Double, make money.